Hi guys, welcome back to today's video, and I really hope this is the final intro because I've done this intro like 15 times already, and I'm not even joking, like literally I've done it like 15 times. I just couldn't find the right lighting, but now I think I did. Anyways, now in today's video we're doing a follow-up from my previous video, which I'll be linking down below because it is connected to today's video, which I didn't mention in the last video because I didn't want to have you guys anxiously waiting for this video. Now this video is about eye care and how to avoid or get rid of your wrinkles or puffy eyes. And everybody have wrinkle or will have wrinkle at some time in their life if they don't properly take care of their eyes. In today's video I will be showing you guys, as I mentioned, how to get rid and to avoid it. Even if you're a male or a female, I think you must watch this video because all of us get wrinkles. I literally have one line right here, but I've been working on getting rid of it, so it's almost gone, which I'm super happy about. So yeah, in today's video I've done my research and I'm not just blabbering. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. In today's video we're not just going to be talking about how to get rid of it. I've also prepared two masks that's going to help you get rid of your puffiness and the actual mark around your eyes, and it works. I've seen it work, I've used it, and I've seen other people use it too, so it's not just something that's approved by me, it's approved by other people, in case you just don't trust me that much, you know. So yeah, let's get into the video. As you didn't know, the eyes around the skin is more fragile and prone to dryness quicker than any other part of your skin or your entire body. It is one of the areas that will show aging and fatigue quicker than any other part too. In the eyes or too much eye movement could hasten up the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. This is why it's important that we use a eye cream. Now, in case you guys are wondering what eye cream I use, you guys have seen me use this one before. This is the Collagen Reinforced Eye Treatment, and this is by Elizabeth Grant. I usually use this under makeup. I am wearing it today, and the one I use is the Victory Eye Cream. This is another one by Elizabeth Grant. But what I find though is this one is more oily than a normal, and by normal I mean this one. So I don't really use this under makeup. If I'm just like going about my day, I will use it, or in the night. I will rub this if I'm just doing my stuff, going through my day without actually wearing makeup. I do wear this window under makeup because it sits really well. Now, one other thing I also use on my eye that helps get rid of fine line, and I only use it around my eye because I keep it away from my face as it can clog my pore and make me break out, which we don't want. So I use coconut oil on my around my eyes, but not just under. I just put it a whole around my eye. I just put it all around my eyes and I let it sit there. I sleep with it most of the times. It's like only sometime I'll like wear it and just sleep with it throughout the day, but I use it to sleep with it. I sleep in with it. I so basically use it as a sleep-in mask, because not only does it get rid of fine line and hydrate my under eye, it also makes my lashes grow. And you guys know, as much as I hate wearing fake lashes, I don't really have the most wonderful looking natural lashes. Oh, I'm just looking at myself. The highlight look really nice on my nose. It's not even like a highlight, it's eyeshadow. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I use in my eyes. I would recommend this one to you on the coconut oil. This one, it's kind of not worth spending your money for, just to not use under your makeup, where you can only use it to sleep. And you guys know, or if you don't know, Elizabeth Grant products are not really that affordable. So it'll be really bad of me to suggest you guys to buy it, because some people would literally buy it if you suggest them. So yeah, if you do want to buy it, then you can check out their website. I will be linking their website. I will be linking their website down below, the Elizabeth Grant website down below. You can check it out, but I'm not saying you have to buy it. I will be linking a few of some other really affordable eye cream that I've also researched that work really good for your under eye, or to get rid of these problems, that you can use under makeup or not under makeup, and they're really affordable. Most of them are below $20. Most of them are below 20 bucks and Canadian dollar. So yeah, that's what I use for my my eye care, basically. Another thing I use is the moisturizer slash eye cream that I've created. I will be linking that down below if you want to make it. It's literally 2 ingredients and it takes like a minute to make. It's really simple. you can use that as a sleep-in mask. You guys will read that video, you will know how you can use it. But you can use it as a sleep-in mask, as I am doing with the coconut oil. That will also help to grow your eyelashes. I don't really use it as a sleep-in mask all the time though. I just sometimes rub it. In general, just rub it on my eye and leave it. So yeah, that's my eye care routine. Now moving on. So I've told you guys I'm gonna share with you 2 face masks, how to get rid of your puffy eye and the dark circle and the fine lines under your eye. Now we're gonna be making 2 face masks. The first one is the turmeric. Why can I never get that right? We say dye. For turmeric in Guyana we call it dye. So I've never really have to use the word turmeric. Oh, I got it, turmeric. Anyways, so yeah, the first one is a turmeric. The first one is a turmeric mask. You can use this one on your whole face or just around your eyes to get rid of, brighten the under eye and get rid of those fine lines. It works really well for that, and as I said, you can use it on your whole face. It also brightens your skin and gets rid of mark, so that's really good for that. And for that mask, you're gonna need 2 ingredients. One is turmeric and the second one is some milk, and you're just gonna mix those together, create a paste, which I'll be showing you guys a video how to actually create it right here. How to get rid of the dark circle and the fine line, we're gonna do another face mask that's gonna show you how to get rid of the puffy eye. Now puffy eye also come from lack of sleeping, stress, if you get punched in your eyes. Puffy eye come from there's a lot of reasons why you can get puffy eye. I don't really get puffy eye that much. I know my eye just right here, it looks puffy. It's always been like that. It's not because I don't take care of my eye properly. It's just my eyes like that. So if you're someone with puffy eye, you're gonna be needing some coffee and some water. That's it. And you're gonna mix that together like the video is gonna show you. And that's how you get rid of your puffy eye. So far we've learned about the eye area and what causes it and masks to get rid of it. I've also shown you guys DIY and how I get rid of mine, or how I treat my eyes. Now, the last thing I'm going to share with you guys is what most eye cream have in them and what these ingredient actually do to your eyes, or what does it help with. It helps get rid of puffy eyes. And that's why a lot of times when you rub an eye cream around your eyes, it'll literally make your eye pop, because it just make it look like you're awake person now. So one of the main ingredients that most eye cream have in them is caffeine. Now the second one that I found, I only got 2 because comparing like 10 eye cream, I found this was the ingredients that was used more often. So I figured that, okay, this is our ingredient. Now, no, it is not turmeric. It is hydraulic acid. Now, you guys know I said that wrong, considering watching my Neutrogena Hydro Boost video. You guys know the main ingredient is hydraulic acid. Now, the acid It is a type of carbohydrate naturally found in the body. It lubricates and hydrates the eyes. Acid, it helps to moisturize the skin without actually making it greasy. Now this is one of the main ingredient in eye cream. It has hyaluronic acid and it just helps to moisturize the eye and keep it smooth, and you won't have crusty eyes. And just one or two things to keep in your back of your head while you're taking care of your skin or in the shower, just in your everyday life, is you want to avoid doing this to your eye, doing that to your eye, to your eyes. Those things make your wrinkle get worse. Basically, you want to avoid touching your eyes. Now, even when you're putting on an eye cream, you don't go around like this or like this. Some people do this. That's not how you apply eye cream. You're basically causing wrinkles by trying to get rid of wrinkles, and that's not fair. So a really good way how to apply eye cream is you would just get it on your finger. You would apply it under the eyes, and then you can use two finger and just like beat it into the skin. Don't beat it in, literally. Have some conscious while you're doing this and just tap it into the skin. Or you can use that two finger and you just like tap it into the skin lightly and gently. What I love with this one though is it has this nice little applicator that fits perfectly under the eye. So when I'm applying this, I will literally just squeeze a little bit, put it like two little dot under my eye, and then I would just take this and I would just like rub it under the eyes, and it's really smooth. It's always clean, so you don't have to do that to just have it get into your skin. Once it's there, it will actually get into your skin. The only thing you need to actually rub into your skin is some lotion. You don't want those ashy elbows and ashy knees and ashy booty and all sort of things. Anyways, that was all I had for you guys. I hope you guys found this video really useful. And before you guys leave, I have a really important question to ask you guys. So before you guys leave, I have a really important question for you guys. I just want to know. So for my next video, I'm planning to have it. I'm working on a new video right now. I've started it yesterday. It involves. It's a surprise, but yeah. That's not why. The next video that I'm gonna be posting, I want it to be weird comment I've gotten about my butt. And I know there's just something like, Felicia, what are you doing? Now I've seen a video. It's not this video. I don't know if other people have made this type of video, but the video I saw was this girl. She was talking about struggles of having a big butt. Now I don't know if I want to do a video like that. Maybe I will in the future. I haven't really decided yet. Right now I am thinking about doing a video on weird comments or compliments I've gotten about my butt to share with you guys, which is kind of personal, but hey, it's all for the fun. So if you guys want to see me do a video like that, then give this video a big thumbs up, and maybe, I don't know, if you want to comment to tell me you have any opinion about it, then comment it. Have an opinion about that video that I'm trying to do, then comment it down below and I will take it into consideration. Be mean, and I will take it into consideration. And now don't be mean, always be nice. And yeah, that was all I had for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, be sure to do so. And follow all my social media. They're all linked down below. And I'll see you guys really soon in my weird comments I've gotten about my butt video. Bye guys.